What's going on, traders? This is the weekly outlook video for June 24th. And let's dive right into our data first. We got CPI out of Canada. And, to be honestly, from a data and news point of view, and this is kind of typical mid-summer, the past week, volatility seemed rather sluggish for sure. Didn't see much follow through on the dollar. And, I think it could be the same way this week. Only thing out of the U.S. is Thursday, really, for GDP numbers. And that is literally kind of it. So, we had some decent moves, and really the biggest movers this past week. I'm going to put my envelope on here to get a better longer-term view of the trend. The biggest movers were really these cross pairs. Euro Aussie, really nice moves to the downside this past week. Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, and some pretty decent breakdowns. And, out of all of the dollar pairs, I think GU, this is a perfect textbook bear flag pattern. You see the flagpole right there, and then the consolidation, and then the breakdown. And that was a trade I was looking at and didn't end up taking. Still kind of kicking myself for not entering that. But if we look at the dollar index here, we're looking pretty strong, right? So we have some highs that would be looked to be taken on the index itself. I think those look, a pretty high likelihood that we would see a move there. So if we take a look at Euro USD, this upcoming week, I wouldn't be surprised for us to get a move, like some sort of pullback, and really I hope we do, that would fill in this gap here and create a selling opportunity into new forming downtrend. So same deal. Dollar CAD, I entered in on a short position. I've been holding it in drawdown, and there just hasn't been any follow through in the market. So, I would say really just this upcoming week, if you have your profits, take them, because, we're not seeing the big moves, the big follow through, and, it makes for some frustrating trading, which is kind of typical of the summer months. So dollar Swiss is a very strong candidate for a move lower. We have some nice zones right here, another one right there, and so we'll be looking to enter in depending on if this is the end and we continue to rally to take these highs, which would be in line with dollar strength, or maybe we'll see some, dollar weakness as, GU pulls back a bit, Euro dollar pulls back a bit. I'm in a short on Aussie US dollar right now, which is looking pretty good. So we'll see how it pans out. So remember, it's going to be more than likely, based on the data, somewhat of a quiet week from a volatility standpoint, so you might want to stick to lower time frames, and just keep that in mind when you do have some profits. So let's have a great week, everybody. Let's go. Appreciate y'all.